The conflict between the United States, Israel and Iran has now entered its sixth day, and the situation continues to escalate rapidly. According to several media reports, around 1,000 Iranians have died so far in the ongoing attacks and counterattacks. Amid this intense conflict, US President Donald Trump made a strong and controversial statement while speaking to reporters. When asked how he would rate America's performance in the war on a scale of 10, Trump responded with a surprising answer. He said, "If you ask me to rate it out of 10, I would say about 15. Trump added that the United States is currently in a very strong position on the battlefield. In his words, "We are in a very good position right now and their leadership is being wiped out very quickly. Whoever wants to become a leader ends up getting killed. We will keep moving forward." His comments also suggested that the conflict may continue for some time and is not likely to stop immediately. Meanwhile, the White House press secretary Karoline Leavitt defended the administration's actions. According to a report by Reuters, she said the world already knows that peace and diplomacy have always been President Trump's top priority. She also claimed that in the past year, the president has ended 8 conflicts, which she says proves his commitment to peace. However, she blamed Iran for the current war, saying the Iranian regime refused to negotiate. In her statement, she said, "Unfortunately, Iran's terrorist regime refused to negotiate. They chose the path of violence and destruction, and now they are facing the consequences of that terrible decision." She also added that under Trump's leadership, Iran's terrorist regime is being completely crushed. Leavitt referred to Iran as the world's largest state sponsor of terrorism and said the world had tolerated it for 47 years. She also brought up the 1979 Tehran embassy hostage crisis when 66 Americans were taken hostage, saying previous leaders were too weak to deal with the threat. According to her, President Trump is now responding strongly and trying to end Iran's nuclear ambitions permanently. While the United States is carrying out strikes, Israel is also continuing its attacks, targeting both Iranian positions and Hezbollah forces. Reports from CNN say that multiple strikes have been hitting Iran's capital, Tehran, forcing Iran to activate its air defense system. In response, Iran has also launched missile attacks toward Israel. According to the news agency PTI, several missiles were fired early on the morning of March 5th. Another dramatic incident happened on March 4th when the United States reportedly sank an Iranian naval ship. The ship named Iris Dana had earlier visited Visakhapatnam in India for a naval event and was returning to Iran through the Indian Ocean. But near Sri Lanka, US forces attacked the vessel. Reports say 87 people were killed and several others are still missing. The United States even released video footage of the attack showing the moment the ship was destroyed. As tensions rise across the region, India has issued an advisory for its citizens, urging them to stay cautious and also providing emergency helpline numbers. For context, this latest conflict between Iran, the United States and Israel began on February 28th. Since then, the crisis has grown bigger, with several Arab countries also becoming involved. One of the most shocking developments reported during this conflict was the death of Iran's supreme leader, Ali Khamenei, which has further intensified tensions in the region. For now, the war continues with no immediate signs of a ceasefire, and global leaders are interestingly calling for restraint before the situation spirals even further out of control.